In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a Rocketfish HDMI Selector. Now I got this off of eBay, so I got it at a deep discount. But it suits my needs, so let's get to it. Now in this box is a Rocketfish 4-port HDMI selector and power cord. Now this device you can get at Best Buy right now for a little bit over $100. If you go to Amazon, you can get it for $70. I got this off of eBay for $8 shipped. So that's a considerable deal to where I can get it brand new. Alright, so I got my trusty cutter here, and let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright, so what do we have in here? We have the device itself, which is really small, and then I believe this is the power cord here. Let's put all this to the side and open this up. Now generally when you get this brand new, you're going to get it with, of course, the device itself here and the power cord, which is, I believe, in here. Yeah, here's the power cord. But when you get it brand new, you're also going to get a small remote. And I don't think I really need it because on top of the device here you have a selector and it has an auto select. So if you have, let's say, a DVD player, and in my case I'm going to have a DVD player and a WD TV Live connected to this device in my bedroom because I have a TV that only has one HDMI port on it, it's going to be able to automatically tell what's giving the input to it. So it's going to automatically switch, so you don't necessarily need the remote. But if I do feel that I do need to manually change the HDMI on this, I can always hit the button up top here. So let's go over this device here real quick. Now, as I said, I have an older LCD TV in my bedroom. That was actually the TV that I had in my living room because I updated recently and got a new television set in my living room. So I put my older television set in my bedroom, and that TV only has one HDMI input to it. So this device here, which actually has a 3D pass-through that I don't really need, but it does have it in case I do want to use this device for something else at a later date. But this device will allow me to plug in 1, 2, 3, or 4 HDMIs and then output one to the television set. So it basically expands the HDMI ports on my TV set. And it's a very simple box. On top here you have a textured black plastic, again branded with HDMI and 3D. Over here is your power button. It's a plastic button with a chrome finish to it. On the side here you have a glossy plastic. I don't know if you can see it there. But there's really nothing on that side. On the back again you have your inputs, your 3 HDMI inputs here. Input 1, 2, 3, and number 4 is on the front. And here's your output, and then here's your DC power port on the back here. On this side again nothing but the glossy plastic. On the front you have your inputs here, and you have your Rocketfish branding here, and then of course input number 4. And this is your glossy plastic here as well. Now you also notice on the front you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's an LED behind those to tell you what input you're using. And then over here is a power LED. On the bottom of the device you just have pretty much your little feet here. Now the device seems like it has a decent weight to it, not really heavy but not very light either, so when you have your HDMIs plugged in here it's not going to be moving all over the place. At least it has some weight to stay put wherever you put it. And of course the power cord, I'll plug that in and set it up on my television upstairs, and for $8 you really can't beat this. If there's any problems with this device I'll let you know, but I really don't think there's going to be any problems with it. So that is my new 4-port selector for my television set that only has one HDMI input to it. So it's a very useful device, especially nowadays because everything is HDMI, whereas it used to be component, composite, whatever. So that pretty much does it for this video. Now between me filming this video and me posting this video, I will have set this up on my television set. So if I post this video, this device isn't giving me any problems at all. So for $8, you really can't beat it. So as always, if you like what you see, please subscribe. If you want to help out my channel, give me a thumbs up or favorite this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.